everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about the Kali Linux. I'm gonna give basic introduction to Kali Linux, and starting with Kali Linux, this is the layout which Kali Linux looks like. And okay, let me introduce first to this. I'm using VMware, so this is the logout button. I can power off or I can log out from this Kali Linux operating system, and these are basic. This is for notification and for sound. These are basics. Okay, like in Windows, here is the icon for Kali, and by clicking on this, you can see the menu. And this menu includes various steps for pen testing or hacking. We have 3 steps, and they are: first we have to gather information, and we have to learn about our target. We have to gain information about its IP, about its network structure, and many other things. Then we give much time to first research. Then we go for attack, and in that attack we transplant something, or we give we inject something. So we target the system, and in final stage we gather the information and we remove the traces that we left in that system, so that the system can again run properly, or we make it to run properly. Okay, now let me introduce to some of the tools that are pre-installed in Kali Linux, and discussing about them. This one is information gathering. First is information gathering. Information gathering is required because when we attack a system, we have to get first knowledge about what type of system is that, what IP is used, and we can learn how many computers or machines are connected to that network. We have to get information about that all. And among this, Dimitri, like scan, Elizen, and this all, we mostly use this net discover. Net discover is very used to identify the IP that are connected to a network, and we also use nmap, and these are very useful tools. You can just try it randomly, but when we go to the course, then we'll discuss about these tools and we'll learn about these tools. And this is information gathering. Then when we move on to vulnerability analysis, there is nmap, Elizen, and here BUIP tools also. These are used for for routers and all. We use these BUIP tools. There is fuzzing tool also. And for web application analysis, we can attack a network, or we can attack web application, and among these, burp suite is very useful. We frequently use burp suite, and there are many command tools here. You can try it all, you can learn about it, and there are more than what we require here. So database assessment, if we try to attack a database or inject something in a database, then it's SQLite database browser. This is very important. We use this all. After that, we go to passport attack. Passport attack are used to create the password from hashes, or we just try to generate random password and we try to attach with or compare with them. This one we mainly use encrack. Encrack is used, and we can do offline as well as online attack, and we can passing the hash tools, we can do that also. And in online attacks, there are Hydra, that you must have heard about this Hydra, and Hydra is also there, and Patator is there. And in offline attacks, there are Opcrack also, Hashcat. Hashcat is very useful for offline attacks. And we can do wireless attacks also. Wireless attacks includes aircrack, and Wi-Fi is very important. Other one you can try it, but we will discuss mainly about this Bluetooth and wireless tools in later videos. We'll definitely learn about this reverse engineering, and there are many tools. We first gather information in this all, then we do exploitation and all. Okay, you can see here social engineering toolkit all, because social engineering tool is used when we cannot like attack a system that is very secure, then we can use social engineering. We can manipulate people, we can try to get their identification or something, then we can attack the system. This tool is very important. Like you can look at here, there are various tools also mentioned over here. So social engineering toolkit is very important for social attacks, like when we cannot assist the system by this algorithm and all, then we go for social engineering. There is saying that we can attack Google and all through social engineering, but their security is very strong, so let's hope we'll be able to attack them someday and try to increase the defense system. And after attack we do reporting also. Reporting is very important, like we for various hackers, like for white hackers and gray hackers, they try to build up a formal report so that they can give it to the organization and say that there is fault in your system and you have to improve it. So they try to report that, and they try to they can say that okay, I'll fix your system, like give me this much or enroll me in any post, or I can help your organization to provide better security. So for that also reporting tool is important. We have to prepare a report, and ForSense is here. So these are all tools and we'll learn about them later, because and let me introduce you to a command prompt. Like you have seen here, like there are many files over here. You can access through this GUI also. You can access the files, you can go inside, you can create files, you can create folders, but many people prefer command prompt, because command prompt gives certain path to your directory, and it gives detailed knowledge about this system, and you can do anything through command prompt. So many hackers and many people, like computer people, use Kali Linux command prompt, and this must be your best friend in order to learn about Kali Linux and do expert in that. So this was for today. Okay, we have discussed various exploitation tools and various tools pre-installed in Kali Linux. We can install it manually also. I'll teach you about that in later videos, and please mention about what you want to learn and what you want to do. So I'm new to this YouTube, so I think I can help you, and please help me also, help me to grow up through my channel. So thank you very much all of you. Please like and mention anything you want to learn about in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, bye bye.